Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can already see in the title, today I am going to do an extreme deep cleaning of my bedroom and my bathroom. Y'all, I am so ashamed that I let my room get so junky. And my bathroom is not really that bad, but it really needs a deep cleaning. I actually have a lot of deep cleaning to do today. I gotta do some laundry, which is right here. I already went ahead and separated my loads. These are all clean, and these are the dirty ones that I have to put in the washer. I have to clean off my nasty nightstand, which I'm so ashamed of. And look at this. Look at this. You got 3 water bottles. It's some stuff all in the corners over there. Like, I'm hungry. I was bad. Girl, don't ask me. I gotta change my sheets because it's long overdue. My boyfriend's side of the bed is horrible. I'm just gonna let y'all know that right now. And as you guys can see, I have to vacuum because the floor is horrible. It has not been vacuumed in weeks. Look at that. What is that? Look, and this is my boyfriend's side that he never cleans off. I have to clean this mirror, which is like so dusty. I have to clean off my dresser, which is dusty. Socks on it, lint roll paper. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so much dust around here. I don't know if I'm going to get to cleaning this fan today, but look at this. This is horrible. The garbage is overflowing. As far as my boyfriend's desk, I'm not touching it, okay? Because I asked him to clean all this up, and he didn't. So that's on him. Let me take y'all into the bathroom. The bathroom is actually really not that bad, but it really needs a good deep cleaning. As you can see, the counter is like so nasty. I got hair stuck in here, and this hair is actually stuck here. And because I was using super glue, and the super glue dripped in the sink, and I was also cutting my hair. So the hair actually got stuck to the glue, so I just can't get it off, and hopefully I get it off when I clean. You see all this scum that's around here? Yeah. You got all this right here. Yeah, that's nasty. Soap drippings. I have to clean the mirrors. The mirrors are just horrible. You got fingerprints all over the mirrors. I have to take out the trash, clean the toilet, fix these towels up because these are actually clean. They just need to be fixed, okay? Clean up this area. I gotta add some toilet paper here. I will be cleaning the floor because the floor, it's not that bad, but I'm pretty sure it's like little hair pieces on the floor. I actually need to wash this rug because it is like so disgusting. It's like hair and everything caught up in it. Hey, saw it. Now the tub is hit, okay? The tub is actually one of the worst parts of this bathroom. I really need to clean this tub. As you can see, like the ring around it and everything. I haven't cleaned this tub in probably about a week, and it's so bad. You got some product all over the walls and hair and stuff, so I'm gonna get that up, organize my little shower caddy. Also have to refill my airways because this one has completely burned out and it's just in here chilling. So before I start cleaning anything, I'm going to put a load of clothes in the washer so I can get that out the way, and it takes about, I want to say 25 minutes to wash clothes. So I'm going to get that done. I'll also show y'all what detergent I wash my clothes with. So this is the detergent that I use. I use the Arm & Hammer Tropical Paradise scent, and it goes up to 57 loads, which I think I can stretch this out for more because I don't know what it is. Every time I get laundry detergent, it takes a long time for it to empty because I wash probably once a week, I want to say. I don't really wash that often, which I should, and that's like really a bad habit. I actually like Arm & Hammer. I've used Tide before, but for some reason I always go back to this laundry detergent because it just leaves your clothes smelling really good. So you guys should try it out if you haven't tried it before because I really recommend it. Okay, so now I'm about to put my load of laundry in the washer, and then after that we're going to get started with cleaning the bathroom first because I think that will take the less time for me to clean. So we're gonna start with the bathroom, and then we're gonna move our way onto the bedroom. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of how my room looks currently. You see my dresser and all on the floor. The bed has to be changed. All of it, like all of this has to be tackled, okay? It will not look like this at the end of the video. I will not get lazy and watch TV and get on YouTube and not clean my room. And yes, my bed is on the floor, and it's on the floor because I haven't found the perfect bed frame that I want. I am super picky about what I like, and I'm not about to sleep on a headboard that I don't like. So yes, until that happens, it's staying on the floor. So before I start the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure y'all turn on my notifications so you get notified every upload. And let's get into this video. Alright, just put the clothes in the washer, and now it's time to get to the cleaning parts. Hey Siri, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 25 minutes.
Okay, we got 25 minutes until the clothes are out of the washer. Then I gotta transfer them into the dryer. So we're gonna get started on this bathroom. So this is everything that I use to clean my bathroom. I mostly use the Comet for the tub when I'm scrubbing it out. I just picked up this Everspring all-purpose cleaner, the lemon and mint scent. This stuff smells so good. I highly recommend this because it leaves your counter, you know, nice and clean. I also use Lysol sometimes, but these are basically like the same, so I'm probably just going to either use this one or this one, doesn't matter. Of course, I use the glass cleaner for the mirrors. You know I have to have some bleach. Normally what I do is I spray bleach on the walls and, you know, let it all drip down or whatever. I wipe it all down and then I rinse it with water. And you know I have to have some gloves because I need gloves, especially when I'm cleaning the toilet. I hate cleaning toilets. It's like the worst thing ever. So yes, I have to have gloves. And I use this mostly for the sink and the tub to get mostly the dirt that's built up on it. And I have to have at least 3 to 4 rags when I'm cleaning. I don't like cleaning everything with just one rag because it's still dirty from the previous thing that you cleaned. So most likely I'm going to use one for the sink, one for the toilet, and another one for the tub. Okay, so the tub is completely clean now. I already washed and sprayed down the walls, so the walls are good too. So now I am about to organize this area right here. I'm keeping these towels here because these are clean towels. We just got those towels. So I'm just going to organize this part and then we're going to head on to the toilet. Okay, so I'm done organizing my shower caddy. Honestly, this is as organized as it's gonna get. I use all of this. My boyfriend uses all of this, so nothing really needs to be done here. So now I'm about to change this shower curtain. I bought this one from Target about 2 weeks ago and I forgot. So I'm about to change that right now and I will show you how it looks afterwards. So this is how the shower curtain looks now. I actually like the way that it looks. I thought I wasn't gonna like it at first, but it kind of adds a different flavor to the bathroom. So yeah. Okay, I am officially done with the bathroom. The only thing I wish I did was wash this rug, but I really don't feel like it. I'll do that another day. But everything is so clean now, and it smells so good just because of this plug-in that I have. But everything is clean. Okay, so it's already been an hour since I put my clothes in the dryer. I'm gonna go get my clothes out the dryer, and then we're gonna come back and start on my room. Okay guys, I am officially done with cleaning the bathroom and my bedroom. I am so tired right now. I know y'all can tell, but I'm going to give y'all a review of the bedroom. This is how everything looks now. I cleaned off my nightstand. I put my notebooks and stuff right here because I basically use them every day. The only thing I'm not touching is his desk. He can clean all that up. Other than that, everything is done. It smells so good in here. As you can see, I sprayed Febreze, and the bathroom is all clean. So I am officially done for the day. I am drained. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm thirsty. I need to give me something to drink. So I am going to take a quick shower, and then I am going to chill and edit for the rest of the day. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it a lot. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.